Good morning, friends. Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day as a national festival of India. The day marks the anniversary of National Independence Day from the British Empire on 15th August 1947. Furthermore, it is the most auspicious day for the people of India because India becomes independent after lots of hardships and sacrifices of the brave Indian freedom fighters. From that day onwards, if 15th August become a very important day in Indian history and in the hearts of every Indian, also the entire nation celebrates this day with the full spirit of patriotism. After the Independence Day, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was chosen the first Prime Minister of India. Moreover, he unfurled our tricolor flag at the Red Fort in the national capital New Delhi for the first time. From there onwards, every year we celebrate Independence Day at Red Fort, New Delhi. In addition, the army performs many tasks that also include a march past cultural program by school students. In addition, we celebrate Independence Day to remember the lives that we sacrificed to gain the freedom, as they are the ones who struggled for our country. Furthermore, on his day, we forget our differences and unities as one true nation should. Importance of the Independence Day celebration. We celebrate Independence Day on a vast scale in our country. Also, every government building is decorated with tricolor lights that are orange, white and green, just like the national flag. Furthermore, every official and office staff, whether private or government, has to be present in the office for the flag hoisting ceremony and singing our national anthem besides. There is a lot of other reasons to celebrate our Independence Day, honor the memory of our freedom fighters. Freedom fighters struggled to make our country free from the Britishers in India. They were the ones who sacrificed their lives for the country. On his day, every citizen of our country pays tribute to them. Furthermore, the school and colleges organize various functions to celebrate our Independence Day and to pay tribute to these freedom fighters. Also, students perform in these programs that depict the struggle for our freedom fighters. In school and colleges, students give solo and lead performance of patriotic songs. Their songs fill our hearts with the feelings of patriotism and love for our country. Usually, in offices, it's a non-working day, but all the staff and officials gather to express their patriotism for the country. In addition, at various offices, employees deliver speeches to enlighten people about the freedom struggle, also about the efforts of our freedom fighters to make this country an independent nation. To spark the spirit of patriotism in youth, the youth of our country has the power to change the nation by means. Someone rightly said that the future hangs on the young generation. Hence, it becomes our duty to serve the nation and make every possible effort to make our country better. One of the main motives for celebrating Independence Day is to make the young generation aware of the sacrifice we have made to make this country a better place for them. Most noteworthy, it tells them how our country to get the independence from the grasp of the Britishers and about the sacrifices our freedom fighter has made for the country. Also, we do it make our children aware the history of our country. Furthermore, it makes them aware of the development that took place in the past years. Consequently, to make them serious about our future and careers which they put for the make our country better. To sum it up, gaining independence from Britishers was not easy, and it's because of the struggle and hardship of our freedom fighter that we now live in the free country. On Independence Day, we remember the long battle that our freedom fighters fought and the sacrifices that they have made. Jai Hind. Bharat Mata Ki Jai.